Council holds a meeting, but each decision needs approval from the emergency financial manager. So what can they accomplish? We begin with that this midday. More litigation is coming over the city's emergency manager who is running Michigan's largest city, just as a dispute is pending over whether the Detroit City Council has any authority to meet and conduct business. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kirchner live downtown this afternoon with the very latest. Okay, Jim, so this is putting that new law to the test, you'd say, right?
It really is, Jeff. Here is that lawsuit filed yesterday here in Wayne County Circuit Court based on the new emergency manager law that went into effect just last Thursday. Now, check it out. The Detroit City Council did go ahead with its session, full session at 10 o'clock this morning. At issue, does the emergency manager running Detroit, Kevin Orr, have to issue a written order outlining council's role? The new lawsuit says he must, and that it's outlined in Public Act 432. That new law.
We read that to say that they don't have the authority to implement any laws or any votes that they take until they're approved by the emergency manager.
And there has been different interpretations of this, as we've seen with Roy Roberts at DPS. He did issue an order at 12:01 on Thursday.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing to preclude the emergency manager from issuing an order. We don't think one's necessary.
Now, this lawsuit was filed by labor activist Robert Davis. He's also filed 2 up in Lansing. Those 2 are still pending. He was set to have depositions of the governor, the state treasurer, and the emergency manager here in Detroit this morning. That did not happen, so Mr. Davis is headed back to court.
Later this afternoon, 2 things are going to happen in light of the fact that they want to thumb their nose at the law. A formal request to institute quo warranto proceedings will be submitted to the Attorney General, and what a quo warranto proceeding is for the removal of elected officials unlawfully delegating their authority. Number 2, we will be filing the emergency action in the Court of Appeals seeking a stay of any actions of the City Council.
So there you go, more legal action. Could city council members be ordered out of office by a judge? That remains to be seen. No written orders are coming from the emergency manager, but we have been hinted that some staff cuts might soon be coming. We'll continue to follow that this afternoon. For now, we're live downtown. Jim Kirchner, 7 Action News.